Good morning, YouTube. It's Chapo back with another video. Happy New Year's. It's 2021. If you wanted to do something last year, just get to it. Just do it. That's why I'm doing this YouTube stuff. I always say I'm gonna get on it. Now I'm doing it. Don't procrastinate. Just do what you want to do. Don't listen to nobody. Keep people out your business. Before I say goodbye, just want to give you guys a nice little cold start for the New Year's. Ooh. Hello guys. Sorry for the mess. I've been working in here. I didn't get you guys a nice little cold start for the New Year's. Oh my, talk about airing it out. Yeah, that's it guys. Happy New Year's guys, enjoy your year. Make the most of it, never know when the world's gonna end. We out.